Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another episode of my fall palette bingo series using the 10 best fall palettes that I had picked in another video. So today I'm doing this one as this was requested. It is the Melt Smoke Sessions palette. So if you're interested in seeing me randomly select some shades and see what the hell I'll get and put them on my face, then just keep watching. Okay, so there's 8 shades in here. This is my only Melt palette that I own, and I recently got a glitter glue to try and help me apply this. So I'm going to use my pretty random app here, and I have the numbers 1 to 8. So we're going to pick 4 shades and 1 bonus shade because I find 5 is like too much. Number, what is that? 6, 5, 2, 1, and then our bonus shade is 8. Okay, so shade number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mean Green is the shade I'm after getting. So let's swatch it. Ooh, look at that. The next shade is shade number 5, which is this dark matte green called Space Queen. I haven't really used the matte shades in here very much because I'm panning the ABH subculture and I kind of found it similar. God, that's nice. And the next 2 shades are 2 and 1. So Granddaddy and Gravity OG. For some reason my Gravity OG doesn't come up as pigmented as other people's. Anyway, Granddaddy. So that's my 4 shades. The very bottom shade is the Gravity OG that I had to triple swatch. Let's roll the bonus, get the bonus shade. Oh yeah, bonus shade was number 8. So this shade here in Blue Dream. Blue Dreams. I have no fingers left. Let me go wipe. Look at that. There. So these are the colors that I'll be working with. This is an optional shade should we choose to use it. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So I'm gonna zoom you in, turn on some music. Let's chill, let's play. Today is Saturday. Well, it's not for me, but it will be for you. We just don't need any more stress in our lives. Let's just have some fun. Okay guys, so that was the look that I created. It's like grasping when you have hooded eyes, you know, absolutely. Okay, so this was the color story. I ended up combining all of the shades in there, if you've seen that. The glitter glue, that was my first time using a glitter glue, and wow, is it sticky. No wonder, like I've been using this palette since I got it, and it did make a massive difference using a glitter glue versus a sticky base, so that's advisable. I used a sponge tip applicator because it is flaky. The matte shade Space Queen, I found that matte shade a little bit patchy. I was kind of worried because I didn't have like a lighter, I had to work with the shades that we got and I didn't have a lighter crease shade to use, but that was fine. So yeah, the only thing I could say is that shade was a small bit patchy, but I'm really happy with it. The colors are beautiful. I love this palette. I did have a bit of fallout throughout, nothing major, but I still had to brush it off. There's still a bit there actually. But I'm happy with it. Like I was really like struggling to come up with stuff, but I am happy with it. I do really enjoy this palette. It was so fun. For my mascara, I used the Ilia one, and I used an Avon blue liner in my eye. That's well years gone and old. I've been panning it for years. But yeah, that is my look with this palette. I do really enjoy the formula of this. Like, it is very different. This is my only experience. I've seen people with poofy palettes and all sorts, and it did take a lot of trial and error for me, and the only thing I've seen that works so far for me is a sponge tip applicator. That's all I've been able to achieve. But I love those colors. This is kind of fun. Look at my blue inner corner. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe. It helps so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you the next time. Take care. Bye. Thank you.